Karatepe is it's said, but I'm sure that's true, from the media, the international media, the best camp in Europe. Why? Because the services are provided. The security is here. There is no fight. Everybody knows everybody. We talk all together. We are not all friends, but like all friends. It is a confident camp, and people are confident in that camp.
One, two, three. همه دستا بالا دختر خانما دیگه بیاین وسط آقا پسرا امشب نمیشه دیگه کسی بشینه با این آهنگ من آروم بگیره بازم شراره لیلا رو دیوونه کرده مامانش باشو عروسک شونه کرده رنگ چشای شراره قشنگ و نازه شراره آخه دلش رو بیقراره
Yes, well, it's amazing because when we started last July, it was the beginning, the 2nd or 3rd of July, we had 3,500 people in the camp. We had 2 toilets working only, 2 showers, not enough food for everyone, not enough shelters. People were sleeping outside. It was really a humanitarian disaster. And we started operating, everyone was trying to do something helpful. After that, little by little, well, thanks to Stavros, our camp manager, the camp has been organized better and better. You have in each camp, you have a camp manager, always from the Greek authorities. For example, in Greece, you have 9 agencies helping the authorities. And we are proud to be part of one because the agencies are really big.